Shubor naga Snem jong unong san Hima.
Kawai ni ki school ka balarim bha ka than mau hati ka Raitong Government Lower Primary School manta ka sngi ka hnyo trik unai weng arajar arpusaw kala yo ban rakhe ye ka jingdap hnyo pusan Snem kinthi ka jing shakri jong ka ban punsa priang ye ka jing nang jing start shiki hep ki barit jong ka than na do bala seng ningkong ye ka haus Snem khat kandai spa sapo kandai hagani ka sngi lawan banan rengkat daw menteri jong ka tanat puli buthi ka sarkar jilla Rakkam Sangma wala longru kongsan Hagajing don rengkat jong MLA Kamahati Uba Charles Marngar, Additional Deputy Commissioner jong Rib Hoy, Kong Brenda L Pakenteng, ki officer na katanat puli puti ke district, kinong penyat jong ke school, kinong hikai, ki kena school lembat ki kemi ki pa, bat kinong song snong jong katang. Haba ajing keren hangani ka sngi na kalyang Rakkam, ula Kular ban penyo ya ka Ïngskul ka bathamay na ka benta ka ni ka school lembat santali ki way pede ki school ki bahab, Hagathan mahati kumbaga sarkar kadon ya kathong ban penbaha ban kentiu ya baro ki school sarkar ki badan ha kajilla Rakkam ula ongru ban kalyang jong ushimet hi ban a ya gajing nang jing start ka Paka ki khna ka deling ba ka jing simkhia ka jing len ladi bat ka jing treshitom jong inong hikai amtang bandan ki Ïngskul ki Paka bat kuboru bah ot shibenta ka dan kamhi bandan ya ka Ïngskul ka Paka Nakalyang MLA jong Kamahati constituency Uba Charles Marngar ula penpa bagani ka Ïngskul wadla nakala kenjo palat nyo post nemru Henry kadang yo ya ka Ïngskul ka basap de ka tin hakapor jong ka jinglong nong mi khmat jong u lingba ka scheme MP land hakapor jong ka jinglong MP Uba Vincent H Pala pat kermen scam ba kumba menta ula don lang hagani ka seng ka basensyar ya ka jilla unang yo shibon ki kampen roy kumba Kamahati kadai ke constituency ke barang Hadien hakibabun ki benta. Pan penorlong yi gini gijing angnod Uba Charles Marngar ula kintui ki pajba jong ka thanhi baro pakin ai ke jing etrelang ke jinglong teli kawai namarba lara ki pajba hi kim ai ka kti kamon kti ka diang kan semjing ru yu kumunong mi khmat ban penorlong yi giti gijing angnod bat ki thong ki ba udon ban wanra ye ke jing kala ha Kamahati constituency hi baro kawai Kum shibenta ha ni gajing rakhe gani kasngi ka jingdap nyo pusan Snem gajing ya linti jong ka school Raitong la pelai ru ka thop sa jing kan mau jong ka school ni ka souvenir do Rakkam Sangma lembat ki wei ki di ki he ki han ki balawan banan kat lang bala penpo penping ye gani kasngi de gajing shat bat gajing penriam jong ki kena school
Tungin ayat ti ka bajam ka ba chukal tangi tangli What happened to me? If you go for you osnal ya release of What happened to you? Adu menta kata Snem arja apusaw ya ka jungray stat jung Raitong Government Lower Primary School. Bekumta ni community kata school ka nang kiyo syakram habaro kilyang. Nakalyang jungi sa hisiyan ni Kuaban Wish. Happy 75th anniversary. Thank you. Bless you born.
Government has decided all the government schools, college, high secondary, upper primary, and the government LP schools will be constructed. New building will be renovated, will be repaired. This is a decision of the government. Therefore, it's my request to the DSO, district officials, please get corrected. All the datas, all information, the respective schools, which schools need a new building, which schools need a repairing and renovation. I think today you have submitted one memorandum about this building. Without looking at I have already gone through, but to me, I want to assure you that this Raitong Government LP School will receive a sanction for new construction of the new government school building in next few months, which will be having a 6 to 7 rooms additional. And not only this school, many 4, 5, 6, 7 new buildings will be constructed under our Honorable MLA's constituency. But not only this, from the entire district, it's my request to the DSO. There are many schools which have been properly monitored. Data has not been corrected. Therefore, just get the data correct so that which schools will be needing which need some intervention here and there. There's some school which needs only the furniture. There's some school which only the change of roof. Some school needs a small repairing. Some school need a completely new. So therefore, under mission education, Government of Meghalaya is planning to completely transform the government institutions first. And we understand the shortage of the teachers that we are looking at. And also, from the government, we will proceed to the deficit and even to the ad hoc and some private. Therefore, today, we have seen, and today, let me thank the finance, the founding father, those who open up this school. We know, we understand that running such a school, it's not an easy task. But you have took journey for long. And therefore, as a government, we are all with you. And it's my prayer. It's my prayer, nothing else. Nothing else. This is my small request to all of you. We talk a different story, but that doesn't matter. But the future of our community, but the future of our children is very, very, very important.
Allow me to share a little bit about my constituency. My constituency is one of the most backward areas. And when we speak about the challenges we face, especially in terms of school infrastructure, we kindly request your support and special consideration, sir. As for Raitong village, sir, for your kind information, is one of the oldest villages in this region, in this area. Therefore, I take this opportunity to earnestly request that you kindly consider doing something special for Raitong village to help more improve the living standards and opportunities for its people. When I was in the old family, I got a school building from Mpila. I have no doubt that today I am in a new family along with Sir Rakkam Sangma. We will get more infrastructure, especially in Raitong village. I also wish to bring to your kind attention an important issues that has been a concern of the people of my constituency. Despite 52 years of statehood, we still have only one higher secondary school. That is St. Vianney's Higher Secondary School in Umsolite village, which is run by the Catholic Church. Given the growing population and the increasing demand for quality education, we urgently need more higher secondary schools and also more examination centers in my constituency.